So we've now dropped the machine back into the storage cradle and transport cradle, and that's the best place to leave the machine when you're not using it. Please don't leave the machine with its suction pads resting on the panel for long periods of time. The seals will become over compressed and they will not perform as you need them to perform the following day. When you've actually finished the machine, as I mentioned earlier, to switch it off, pulling this switch, immediately goes off. And when you've finished completely the machine, make sure that you pin it back into its cradle using this pin locked in. Make sure all the extension arms and the suction pads are relocated in the cradle as it was delivered. Just another couple of things. In the cradle, there are two plastic storage boxes. In one, there'll be a spare set of seals. Now, the seals are changeable. I'll just go underneath and show you the seal from underneath there. They are changeable, but they are quite durable. If you look after the seals and make sure that they only contact the panel surface when you're lifting, those seals should last you the duration of the project. But if you manage to tear one, have a small accident or catch it on something, it is possible to change those seals, and there are instructions in the instruction manual and also a separate video which we can send you to show you how to change those seals. And if that isn't enough, you can always call us and we can talk you through it. Final thing is, inside the other plastic box, you'll see a machine instruction manual that's specific to every machine. It's got a copy of the CE and LOLA certificates in there. It's also got information on configurations, wind speed limits, and suggestions for daily checklists. Okay? And then finally, this particular machine we've demonstrated with has got a roof set with 4 75 kilo pads on there. So the safe working load of this machine is a combination of those 4 pads, so it's 300 kilos. Each machine may have different suction pads. The working load will be the combination of whatever suction pads are attached to the machine. So this particular configuration with these particular suction pads is suitable for Kingspan RW, Tata Trisomet, certain Arcelor panels, some Eurobond roof span panels, and various other panels which have a similar profile. But it is not suitable for Kingzip panels, and it's not suitable for Stedman's AS35 panels. We're going to stop this video and I'll just give you a little bit of final information about pads that are specific to those last 2 panels.